Hello, beautiful people of the YouTube highways and byways. Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy. I have been in a crafty, creative mode this past couple days, and I have created and designed a few items that I probably will give to some of my supporters. Some of these items, but not all. So this is the water slide mug that I did. Take time to water yourself. Used a clear water slide sheet, a pair of earrings, and this is cloth that I cut to size of these plastic discs and used epoxy resin to dome over. And I also used one of those plastic discs to create the necklace here and used seed beads and attached with UV resin. I used UV resin on those as well. I don't know if I said epoxy or UV. And then I created some coasters. Take time to water yourself. And used some fabric cutouts. Placed it on this one and used the UV resin. Now I have created a lanyard with purple rhinestones. And there is another necklace. This one is on a chain, a bead chain. I forgot what they're called. And then I put this one. It's another one, created just the same, but it's on a different type of, it's a cloth neck chain. And then here's another pair of cloth covered earrings domed over with UV resin. And yet another coaster. And then I put this image, Take Time to Water Yourself, onto a jar, a mason jar. I created these earrings with cloth as well, and a few beads. Then I'm trying to create some sachets. This one, these are all 2.5-inch squares, blocks that I received from G-Quat, Auntie Ellen. So I sewed 4 together here, 4 together here, and sewed the both sides together, and there's homemade sachet, fragrant sachet in here. This is just 2 blocks, sewed it together, used my pinking shears and clipped around the edges. This is also 2.5, and I turned this one inside out. I'm just experimenting on how I want to come up with these sachets to place in your shoes, your closets, your drawers, your car, wherever you'd like to place them. So I may be doing tutorials, videos on how I created some of these items in the future. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button. Stay tuned to see if you will be a receiver as a great supporter of one of these gifts. As always, I love you. Peace and love. Hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't. Check out my videos. I would appreciate. I love all the support that I have, but I could always use more. Until next time, peace and love, peace and hugs. Stay safe. We'll see you soon.